Indian Olympic Association to prepare aspiring and skilled sports persons of the country for participation in the Olympic Games, and Indian Olympic Association, also known as Bharatiya Olympic Sangh, was established in 1927 by Sir Dorabaji Tata and Dr. A.G. Noreen as President and General Secretary. Like the IOC and IOA, is a non-profit, non-governmental organization. Its headquarters are located at New Delhi. The official year of the IOA lasts from 1st April to 31st March. With the approval of the General Assembly, the members consist of national sports federation whose sports are including in the programs of the Olympic Games or the Commonwealth Games or Asian Games. Indian citizens who are members of the IOC, one male and one female athlete who have participated in the Olympic Games and fulfill the eligibility criteria of the guidelines. State and Union Territories Olympic Association, Service Sports Control Board, and the National Federation of Kho election are held once every 4 years to appoint President, Senior Vice President, 8 Vice Presidents, Secretary General, Treasurer, Joint Secretaries, Executive Council members, one representative elected of the Athletes Commission. Main objectives of the IOA, the Indian Olympic Association, being part of the Olympic movement undertaking to respect. Number one, provisions of the Olympic movement, the World Anti-Doping Code, and to abide by the decision of the IOC at the national level to participate in events to promote peace and to promote women in sports, to develop, promote, and protect the Olympic movement in India in accordance with the Olympic character, to support and encourage the promotion of sports ethics, to fight against doping, and to demonstrate and responsibility concern to environmental issues. To second, to promote and encourage the physical, moral, and cultural education of the youth of the nation for the development of character, good health, and good citizens. To educate the public of the country as to the value of sports in cooperation with National Sports Federation to guard and enforce the applicable rules, to assist in cooperation with National Sports Federation the selection, training, and coaching of the teams that will represent India in the Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, South Asian Games, and other international competition and tournaments under the patronage of the IOC as well as IOA. To resist in the realm of sports all pressure on any kind whatever of a political, legal, physical, religious, or economic nature. To collaborate with school and university established in India to propagate the fundamental principles of Olympism at national level with the framework of the sports activity, and also take steps for the diffusion of Olympism in the teaching programs of physical education, to resist and oppose any form of discrimination on grounds of race, religion, legal, politics, gender, or otherwise and resist violence in sports. To lay down guidelines to enforce the World Anti-Doping Code and to fight against the cause of substance and procedures prohibited by the IO or the International Federation and to adapt and implement WADA, World Anti-Doping Association code, thereby ensuring that the IO's anti-doping policies and rules, membership and funding requirements and rule results the management's procedure conform with the World Doping Anti-Doping Code and respect all rules and responsibilities for the National Olympic Committee that are listed within the World Anti-Doping Code.